Hi everyone, Jamie here. Welcome to this video. And today I'm super excited about this project I want to show. I just want to talk about it for a second and then we're going to dive into the process. And I think I'm just going to kind of speed it up and let you follow along. So here is the idea. I have this new die from Tim Holtz. Kind of picked it up like, I'm not really sure what we're going to do with this, but let's play. It's called Stitched Slots. And let me show you what I've come up with so far. This is kind of rough and we're going to finish it today, but it's this card and you can see it's just got all these slots, hence the name of the die, to just put all these notes and fun things in. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. And I have a surprise for this. I'm going to do something different here to the cover and I think you're going to like it. So are you ready to play? You can find all the supplies down below and just let me know if you have any questions. Happy to answer. And let's go.